this is the final look, guys. Like this series can go on forever. One headband wig, over 10 hairstyles, totally different hairstyles that you can wear with it. So save your coins, just make one investment and have a fresh new look as much and as often as you want without the hassle. So to prepare my hair to do this center part with the headband wig, I simply plaited up back of my hair and pinned it down, if you can see what's going on here, and then I left out about, I would say this is about 1.5 inches of the front of my hair, and then towards the back I'm actually going to be attaching the headband wig and hiding the band. So let me put on my wig cap. I always have a little wig cap, and I'm gonna put it over the plaited section of my hair. Leave a little space for the headband wig to be attached. You have the headband wig with the 3 combs at the top, the adjustments at the side, and the comb at the back. Of course, you can attach the adjustments to fit your head size, whether your head is small or big like mine, and then you have the band with the velcro where you would attach at the back of your head. So let me show you what to do now. So this is the comb in the middle. I'm going to put it right below my hairline right here, and then this is the comb to the side. I'm gonna attach it right here. Then this is the other comb to the side. I'm gonna attach it right here, as you can see, and then I am going to attach the band at the back and close it. Okay, just close it up, and then I've pulled this comb over the band, and now it's fully hidden, and already you can see the style is coming together. Okay, so all you do after that is just tuck the band like this underneath the headband. Yeah, there you go. And then that's pretty much how you hide the band of the headband wig. And then with the leave out that you're gonna have to further hide it, even though it's pretty hidden already, you're gonna pull out your hair. And I normally use the Marabelle Haircare Mega Moisture Parfait. Guys, this is the absolute best. It's almost done, I have to restock, but 10 out of 10, it will give you any curl you want. So what I'm gonna do here is, you see where the band is showing, you're just going to split this, the front of this leave out in half, and then do this. Put it directly over the headband wig. So if you can look, it's kind of going to be a triangle. That, see, like that. So you put it over the band to hide it, and then, you know, you're just gonna take any little brush or comb that you have to separate the hair if you want to do it more precisely. Yeah, so it's kind of like a Y if you're seeing it, but essentially that's how you'd hide the band. And then for this leave out section, you're just going to fluff it out. So really what you could do as well, you know, I need a brush. I need a brush, but I'm going to go on through still. So all you do, you roll this up towards the back and pin it in. This one is a very small hair clip. You might need a little bigger hair clip still, or you could use 2 hair clips. Right, and then you just roll this also to the back like this, and this is a totally different hairstyle, guys. Let me just pin this up properly and show you the final look. So this is actually how the style is looking so far. I put 2 extra hairpins around the back, so now it's 4 hairpins just to hold down the pinned up hair, right? And now all I'm gonna do is take my edge control and my edge brush and do my edges real quick. I'm just gonna show you how amazing this edge control is, even though I can't really see to do my full edges in the camera, but I'm gonna show you. This edge control is literally absolutely amazing. Like, I could never see this style without edges. Like this is just it's okay, but the edges, yeah. So I'm gonna finish on my edges and come right back, okay? Like you can get any vibe you're feeling, okay? For yeah, so many different hairstyles, one headband wig. And if I never said this already, this is a 14-inch AfroKinky headband wig from Marabelle Haircare. I'm gonna link the details in the description box so you can order that if you wish to do so. But I would give it a 10 out of 10 because I don't have much shedding. I've had it for over 2 years. It's super long lasting and the curls are absolutely amazing, and you can get any curl pattern you want from it. Like if you want a more afro look, or if you want it to be defined and layered, so you can play with it. And it's great with twist outs as well, and perm rods and all of those amazing stuff. And another upside is that your hair will be growing and flourishing underneath this headband wig because there's no tension on the edges, and your hair is just braided back, living its best life. No need to be combing it every minute or hassling it up, over manipulating it. All of those things, leave that in the past, okay? So anyways, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your night. Subscribe, live good, and see you next time.